Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I have some free trains that I got from my neighbor to share. I'd share the box on screen, but now my desk is too small, so I'll just get right into it all. I haven't looked at any of it yet, except the top. Here's a train whistle. Another whistle from a hobby shop, it seems. And a Burlington Route gondola. Some sort of tank car. I don't know exactly what that is, but if someone knows, tell me. That's just a Bachmann controller. This is just a big box of track. There's like 3 of these. There's 1, there's 2. That's all that track. Probably go through it at some point soon. There's also this little thing of telephone poles and some other signals. Also have to go through that at some point, see if I could use any of those. Some more trestle stuff. This one's kind of a bit big for the camera, but again, I'll see if I can use any of that for something. Now the rest seems to be cars. There's an L&N hopper car. I don't think I have anything L&N yet, so that'd be good to use. There's another one of these Union Pacific cabooses, so now I have 2 of those. Save the engine for last. Then there's another BN boxcar, which I don't have much BN stuff, so that's good. And finally, we have another GP18. This one's actually Bachmann. So, that was just the quick overview of everything. Now let's test this engine and see if it'll work. I have some suspicion that it probably will. Alright, so I've got the GP18 on the track, so let's see if it runs. And it appears it does. It's a bit noisy, so probably needs some fresh oil, but it does seem to work pretty well. Let's try reverse now. About the same in reverse. This is the only one of like 3 of these that I have that actually has both couplers, so let's get a train hooked up and get some video of it going around. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you want to see another one of these Union Pacific GP teens in a video, click on the screen around now.